title Exploring the Benefits of Veeam Cloud to Cloud Backup. In today's digital age, data is at the heart of every organization's operations, with businesses increasingly relying on cloud-based services, ensuring the safety and availability of data has become a top priority. This is where cloud-to-cloud backup solutions like Veeam step in. Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup offers a robust and efficient way to protect your critical data in cloud environment. In this article, we will delve into the world of Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup and explore its benefits. Understanding Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup. Veeam is a leading provider of data backup and recovery solutions. Its cloud-to-cloud backup solution is tailored for cloud-based platforms like Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. These cloud platforms have become indispensable for businesses, but many organizations assume that their data is fully protected in the cloud. However, this is a misconception. While these providers offer some level of data retention, they do not provide comprehensive data backup and recovery solutions. Key benefits of Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup. Complete data protection. Veeam ensures your cloud data is comprehensively protected. It performs daily backups of your data, including emails, documents, calendars, and more. This means you can recover any lost data due to user error, malicious attacks, or data corruption. Security and compliance. Data security and compliance are top priorities for business. Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup employs robust security measures, including encryption, to protect your data. It also helps you meet compliance requirements such as GDPR and HIPAA. Granular recovery. Accidental deletion or data loss can happen at any time. Veeam allows for granular recovery, enabling you to restore individual email files or items without the need to recover entire accounts. Efficient storage management. Veeam optimizes storage uses by only storing unique data blocks. The duplication process minimizes storage cost while maximizing data efficiency. User-friendly interface. Veeam provides a user-friendly web-based interface, making it easy for administrators to configure, manage, and monitor backups. Scalability. Whether your organization is small or large, Veeam Cloud-to-Cloud Backup scales to meet your need. You can easily add more users or servers as your business grows. Reliability. Veeam has a reputation for reliability and uptime. Your data is backed up automatically, ensuring that you are always prepared for unaccepted data loss. Quick recovery. In the event of data loss, Veeam enables swift recovery, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your business can continue to operate smoothly. 9. Protection against ransomware. Ransomware attacks have been a significant threat. We have safeguard your data against such attacks by providing the reliable stored data at to a point in time before the attack occurs.